Hi, guys and gals. This is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. And today I'm going to go over a few more links. And this is going to be the last time, probably for a long time, I'll go over links. And then once I do that, I'll give you a free gift on that, which you'll be able to download down below in the description. So we'll call this one Important Marketing Affiliate Referral Website Links Part 2, Part D. And once this is over, then I'll get into some instructional videos next time. These are just really cool links that I've collected over time. And I'm just going to breeze us through a lot of them. So if you're looking for products to sell, and sometimes if you have your own brand, you can go here and put your brand to use. If you have an artiste who made you something for a particular idea that you have, then come here and they have products. Let's go to their products real quick. So this is teallaunch.com, and as always, I'll have the link below there in the description. So it's cups, mugs. I mean, we've seen pretty much this stuff before. It's kind of unique. That's different. So yeah, an idea for sales for your marketing if you're into doing the e-commerce thing. And here's another one, custom cat. So same deal. And let's go to the product catalog. I haven't looked at these in a long time. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So I mean, it's standard stuff, right? I'm trying to think of the old website a long time ago. If you guys know what it is, they used to do this, but they were ahead of their time. I don't know whatever happened to it. And I would say good 15 years ago. So I don't know if you guys know, anyone knows what I'm talking about, please put it down in the description. And so you just go through, again, it's just different things that you can sell. Put your own branding on there. That's customcat.com. This is kind of weird. So this is Pillow Profits. It's pretty cool. And I mean, they have different types. I mean, it's literally a pillow, right? Yeah, they just have different types of things to install Shopify. If I haven't really looked at this one too much, let's go to the FAQ. I don't remember this one. Where's estimated so customers receive tracking information, tracking customers' orders. So it must be shoes and pillows. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, then. That makes sense then. Okay, I apologize. I haven't seen that one in a while. So this one's pillowprofits.com, another place where you can make your branding and make your products, sell your product, or get products from to sell. And here's another cool one. And this is kind of cool. I did look at this one before we started, so a little more pricey, but still cool. And if you know anything about marketing, they do say sell the big ticket items. You make the most money from them. And I'm not going to join the email list. So this is shineon.com. So they have more of a high quality product you can brand on there. It looks to be. This is kind of really cool. This is kind of like it's called Google Trends. So it's trends.google.com. And I'll put in for a keyword to see who's using that keyword. I'm going to put in fan films because I have a website called Fan Film Follies. And it's a very niche topic of fans, intellectual properties that people go out and make films of, like Star Wars, Star Trek, Batman. They just make their own films. So, yeah, that's cool. Batman poster, Princess Bride, Scream. So you get an idea what keywords are attracting to fan films. If I wanted to go crazy with fan films, I don't make any money off that site, but that's all right. It's just for joy. And yeah, you just get an idea of the keywords and the popularity of the keywords, what they're hitting on. It's a really cool site. So check it out, Google Trends. for all you A/B splitter type people and SEO type people, which will be us, right? This one is just like popular items on YouTube, or not YouTube, eBay, sorry. Popular items on eBay. So I don't know. About lawnmowers, first thing that came to mind. It's like the category, antique lawnmowers. Let's see if it's possible. Yeah, hey, everything's possible. Everything's possible. So you got your antique lawnmowers if you want to see what they're selling for. I guess there you go. That's watchcount.com. So this is, I use this all the time. This is Canva, CANVA.com. And as you can see, this is where I do my, my YouTube cards for the beginning of the videos. And this was a Facebook top. And then this came with it. Yeah, I don't know what all this crap is. Anyways, so this is pretty cool, and I'm going to use it later. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on it very soon. This is just my website, and this is Loom. All right, so what are we on here? Okay, so this is what I'm going to give away down at the bottom. And it's just going to be this Excel spreadsheet that I put together over time. Now, it's going to be self-explanatory. These are websites that I signed up for. So hence the login and the password there. You can put little notes there if you need to remind yourself exactly what it is. I left all the links in there. Certainly keep the ones that you think are going to be representative of you, be good for you to use for your marketing in your websites, and obviously delete the ones that aren't going to do you any good. Just to trick someone that doesn't know Excel, just if you want to grow this, if you want to put more, like say if you got 5 more links or something, just right click, all right, right on the field, and then you can insert, okay, and then insert row, okay, and then you can keep doing that, and you can do the same thing. You can hit, again, grab these. Okay, hit your mouse on the right, and instead of inserting, we're going to delete them. And that's it. That's really all you need to fart around with. That and putting all your passwords and logins and stuff, and putting your own sites that you use. And I hope you, some sites, if there's a site that's not on here, I hope you put that down in the comments. So this is my affiliate sites, so I separate them from my websites so I know the difference. And again, login password notes. These are my emails. I just left my email in there in case you want to email me for any reason, but you can get that out of there, obviously. And I have a lot of email accounts, so I need to keep track of them, and I'm not going to remember every password. And so that's for that. Google accounts, same deal. I have a lot of Google accounts which are linked to passwords, so it's kind of almost the same thing, I guess, as this, but not in every case. WordPress sites, I have a lot of WordPress sites, so you don't necessarily need this. Maybe you want to use it for something else. I don't know. How about cooking? Why the hell not? Cooking sites, okay? So you can just rename it, and then you get your login and password. You just click in here. Just click in the field, come up here, and you can rename it. So back to WordPress sites. All right, and social media. Here's all the social media that I have. Here's all the links. Some of them are mine. Just take them out and put yours. I just left them in there if you want to visit. Marketing thing, of course. So this is my personal sites. This is where I go and pay my pay a lot of my bills and look up financial stuff like Wells Fargo and Charles Schwab. Ooh, Charles Schwab is spelled wrong. So, I mean, you can take that out if you want. Obviously, put in what your links. You probably don't even know what Wegmans is if you don't live in Western New York. And yeah, again, your login, password, URL where you would go to, the name of it. And these are the helpful links. These are actually all the links that I went through with you on the past 2 videos. So on the past two important marketing affiliate referral website link videos, and I add to them all the time. So feel free to use those and add to them. Just right click and insert and hit your row. Okay, so yeah, this is the last video I'm going to do on the links. I just thought they're important links that everyone can use. And I'm going to get more into how-tos in future videos. It's all going to make sense. I have a plan to bring it all together. So if you're new to this like I am, I mean, I'm not new. I know a lot, but if you're just starting out or you have a little experience or even a lot of experience, I'm going to start small, and you're going to see how everything grows and fits together in these videos. It's going to be interesting. It's pretty cool. I know what I'm doing. Do you believe me? Nah, just kidding. I do know what I'm doing, but thanks. Please leave a like down below. You can share this, of course, or join the channel. I would appreciate it if you supported the channel. It's a brand new channel. It's going to take a long time to grow, and I expect that. I'm just going to build up videos, and hopefully there'll be good content in them for everybody as we proceed. The first three were kind of, I introduced myself. I went through a few links. I used loom.com, kind of got used to that. And yeah, so hopefully join me on this journey, and we'll see what happens next. I thank you all again. Again, if you could just like, share, or join the channel, I'd appreciate it. And I am out of here.